we will learn U sound words. So our first sound is UG, ugh. Say with me, UG, ugh. So let's see the pictures with their names. So look at here. What do you see? A jug. This is called a jug. So say with me, J-U-G, jug. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is a bug. So this is called bug. B-U-G, bug. Say loudly, B-U-G, bug. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is a mug. We take tea or coffee in this mug. So say everyone, M-U-G, mug. Now look at the next picture. Look at here. What is this, children? This is called rug. We keep it on the floor in our house. So this is called rug. R-U-G, rug. Now children, look at here. What do you see in this picture? You can see the boy hug a puppy, right? So we called it hug. H-U-G, hug. Children, sound it aloud. Hug. Now our next sound is U-N, un. Say everyone, un. Look at the picture. What is this? This is sun. So children, say with me, S-U-N, sun. We can see the sun in the sky, right? So sound it aloud, sun. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is called bun. B-U-N, bun. Say with me, B-U-N, bun. Look at the next picture. This is a nun. So what is the spelling of nun? N-U-N, nun. This is a nun. Now children, in this picture you can see them to run. So what are they doing? They are running on the road. So children, say with me, R-U-N, run. Children, our next sound is U-B, up. Say aloud, U-B, up. Now look at the picture. What is this? Here you can see a baby lion. So a baby lion is called cub. C-U-B, cub. Sound it aloud, cub. Look at here. When we clean our hands with a towel or napkin, we call it rub. Rub your hands. So R-U-B, rub. Now children, look at the picture carefully. What do you see here? You can see a tub. So what is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. So children, today we have learned ugh, un and up sound words.